Good Thursday morning, YTPC folks. Senior Churchwarden Larry here, smoking my Churchwarden Savinelli. And even though it's morning, I'm smoking quiet nights in it. And trying to stay quiet and calm this morning. We had some thunderstorms roll here yesterday. I know that that's happening around the country, but we had some hail the size of the palm of your hand. Of course, we had high winds. There were tornadoes in the area, not in our area, but close by. And right now, it's calm, and we're expecting more storms. But for now, I'm enjoying a little blue sky and a little sunshine. Hope you all are doing well. I think I've mentioned before that I have cats and dogs. The interesting thing about cats, and we have a cat door, so they come in and out. But you never know in the morning what you might find that a cat brought in. And I mean, we've had small snakes. Frequently, we've had lizards and frogs. Had a mole one time. This morning, I woke up to something that was a first. A dead bat. Yeah, cat brought in a bat. Just dead as it could be, laying on the floor in our bedroom. So you never know when you have cats what you're going to get. With dogs, you kind of know. They're crazy and lots of fun and follow you around. And cats are just independent and do their thing, but they're hunters. Ultimately, cats are hunters. So you don't know. You just don't know. But not much else going on. Yesterday was my grandson's 11th birthday, and so we celebrated with dinner last night at a local restaurant of his choosing, because one of his favorite people works there. And it was nice. We had a chocolate cake for him because chocolate is his thing. He is a chocolate junkie. But it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. And during the dinner, of course, it stormed and the hail was coming down outside. You could hear it hitting the roof of this restaurant. Everybody stayed calm, but it was an interesting night. That's all I can say. The weather's been really kind of interesting. Hope y'all are doing well. I hope you have a great rest of the week. So this is Senior Churchwarden signing off. Glorious piping, everybody.